Hello guys, welcome to a new video of mine. In this video, we are going to do an unboxing and review of a Starry Sky projector which I recently purchased from Amazon. So I was seeing this product in Amazon and I was planning to buy it from a very long time. So yesterday I got a deal, so I thought of purchasing it. So this is how the packing looks like. So in the front you can see a picture of the projector, the name and the pricing. So here the MRP they are showing it as 4,999, about 5,000, but in Amazon you can easily find it below 2,000 rupees. In my case I got it for around 1,400 rupees. Sometimes the price but increases and decreases. The highest you can find is 1,999 or 2,000 rupees. Between this range you can always find it. So the back side, if you take a look, there is nothing. In the side they have given some specifications of the product. So the LED power, the working, how much 5 volt 1 ampere it uses. So in the other side, if you take a look, nothing is there. In the other side they have given there is a remote control, adjustable projection, timing is there, and stars are also there in the projection. The other side again a picture of the product is given. So without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. So first, when you see, you can see they have given a remote. So this is how the remote looks like. We'll unbox it in some time. We'll keep it aside. Then you can see they have given a USB to it is an old kind of adapter which used to charge the emergency lamp and all that kind of. So this, I think, which we can use this product using power bank or something, I guess. So this also, I'll keep it aside. Then after this we can see the main product itself. So this is the product. For now I'll keep it aside. And I think this is the base for the astronaut to stand, I guess, or the platform. This also I'll keep it aside. And here you can see there is a user manual. So take a look at the user manual. So this is how the user manual looks. The back side of the user manual. So that's the contents of the box. Now without wasting any more time, let's unbox the product. So this is how the product looks like. They have given a protective film, and this is the projector head, I guess, and from here I guess the laser comes out, means the stars. The laser works as the stars, and this is the projector which projects the galaxy. And the back side you can see there are 3 switches. One is for turning on and turning off the projector. This one is for the stars, I guess. The other one is for brightness. And as you guys can see, the head of the astronaut is detachable, and there is 2 magnets there which hold it in place. So you can see that it is movable like this. You can adjust according to the angle whichever you like, and there is a wire which connects everything. So when you are pulling, just be careful not to pull this wire too much. So this is the astronaut. So I think we have to place it in the base, and the base is, the astronaut is made out of plastic. I think it is made up of kind of a rubbery material. You can see that. See, it's pretty flexible material. So I think we have to place the astronaut in this base. So after fixing, this is how the astronaut stands, and this is how it looks. So now we'll take a look at the remote itself. So this is the remote. So check battery is there or not. So it comes along with the battery with it, and it uses two AAA batteries. And this is the USB cord. Just let me untangle it. By the look I feel it is about 1 meter long, and this end of the cable goes behind here. Okay. Now it is written remove the protective. It's written remove the protective layer film before the use. So remove it. Yeah, it's looking so good. So it helps us to prevent scratches on the product. And without wasting any more time, let's connect the product to a power bank, and using the remote, let's turn on the product. Okay. So I guess we should turn off the light to see how the product works. So let me just turn off the light. Let me focus it to a wall near me. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Okay. So this is how it looks. There is a charging cable of mine there. Just ignore it. Just look at the wall. So see, there are many options. We can change the nebula or the galaxy color like this. This is one galaxy, second galaxy, third galaxy, fourth galaxy. Yeah, galaxy. So many galaxy colors are there, and we have the option to turn on or turn off the stars. So I have turned off the stars now, so you can only see the galaxy. So now I have turned on the stars, and you already have an option to increase the rotation speed or decrease the rotation speed. See, I have decreased the rotation speed of the galaxy. I can increase the rotation speed. So this is the fastest, and you can increase or decrease the stars also, and you can increase and decrease the brightness also. See, now the brightness is more. I am decreasing the brightness. See. So you can decrease the brightness to here. I'll just turn off the stars. See, this is the lowest brightness, and you can increase the brightness also. And you can even set the timer, and I'll decrease the speed of the rotation. So, and you can turn on the stars. You can increase and decrease the brightness of the stars also, and the rate of its blinking. See, it's blinking now. You can increase and decrease the blinking rate also. So it is a really cool product actually, and it is better than I expected, and it is better than I expected it to be, and it turned out really good. You can see there just luminance, and if it's total dark, it seriously feel like you are staring into the galaxy itself. It's really cool. Oh, it's really good. So this is how the projector looks when it's working. See, this is the area where the lasers are coming from, and this is the area from where the galaxy projection is happening, and you can always adjust the angle. So now if I want to adjust, I can adjust it to the ceiling. So now I'm adjusting the galaxy to the ceiling. This looks really good. I hope you guys can understand. I'm getting the same feeling. and for the money it really worth it, and I think all of you people should try it. And if you want to buy this product, I will be providing the link in the description below and in a pinned comment also. So that's it guys, I hope you guys like the video. If any doubt you people have about this product, you can always ask in the comment section below. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Take care.